Welcome to our new Contact Manager, your go-to tool for managing your contacts and groups. In the center of the screen is the primary panel, where you can view, manage and edit all of your contacts. You can see key details such as the contact's name, number and the tags which they're assigned to. Tags are a new feature in YakChat that make it easier to organize your contacts and send messages to multiple contacts grouped into predefined categories. On the Tags page over here, you can view, search and manage your tags and see what users are assigned on the right-hand side. Back over on the Contacts page, you can search for a contact by its name, email, number or even a segment of a number. And on the filter just below the search bar, you can choose to display contacts by tags. And also by your saved, Outlook, SharePoint, and Active Directory contacts, with more options coming soon. By clicking on a contact or tag in the primary panel, you can see all of its details on the contact panel on the right. On this panel, you can edit a contact inline by simply clicking on the field. You can also change the tags that it's assigned to and its sharing rules. This is also where you can choose to send a message to a contact. Simply press the message button, which will open a side panel on the right, where you can quickly send a message, then get back to managing your contacts. If you'd like to access the full messaging window, click the Expand button located at the top right, and it will take you right to the chat. You can also send a message to all contacts within a tag, either by finding the tag on the Tags page and clicking Message Contacts, or by clicking on a tag segment and clicking Message Contacts. At the top of your screen, you'll find the Actions bar. This handy toolbar lets you add a contact, create a new tag, or import multiple contacts. To add a contact, click the Add Contact button. You'll need to enter at least a first name and phone number, but you can also add more information as required. If you'd like to add the contact to a tag, you can either select your desired tag or search for one. If the tag you're searching for doesn't exist, you can easily create a new one by clicking Create. You can also share the contact with your company. If you choose to share your contact, you can choose whether you would like to allow other users to edit your contacts or just be able to view and use them. To create a tag, simply click Add Tag and enter the tag's name. To import contacts, you'll need to upload a CSV file with first name, last name, phone number, and email address fields, although the only necessary fields are the first name and phone number fields. You can download a template file to input your contacts using this button here. Once the CSV has been filled, click the Browse Files button and select your CSV file. Once this is complete, you'll need to select the CSV column names. Choose whether you'd like to share the contacts and choose if you'd like to assign these contacts to any tags. Once this has been completed, click the Next button to see a preview of the contacts that you're about to import to check for any issues. If you're happy to proceed, click Import Contacts. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions or would simply like to talk about how we can help your company, contact us at info@yakchat.com or message us on our live chat service on our website.